We've come to the town of Yaita, which is about 4 hours away by bus from Sarajevo, which is what we did this morning. And Yaita is known for a couple of different things. So first of all, it was one of the old capitals of Bosnia, and the last Bosnian king died here and has a grave here. But it's particularly known for a really nice geographical feature in the city centre, which is one of the reasons that we've come, and it's the first place we're going to go and check out. We're on the bridge now, which leads into the old city, and the bridge looks over onto a river which leads to the interesting geographical feature. Also, this town just looks really pretty. We're set in the mountains again, and it just makes the whole thing look so nice. So this is the river, and then you can probably hear what it's leading down to. We did have to pay 4 marks each entrance tickets, but
that's only to get to the bottom here.
Yeah.
The viewing platform.
Yeah, you can view it from the top for free, but they've got a purpose-built platform at the bottom to come and see. And you can probably start to hear it now as well. It's going to get a little bit loud, but I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what the town's known for in just a moment. Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm starting to feel the damp air. Oh, it's powerful. Waterfall is like the welcome to the town that you get, because it's right on where you come into the town. You can see it from the bridge that goes into the bus station. It's really gorgeous, and I think it's the first time I've ever seen a waterfall like in a town. I don't know if there are any others like that. And it's really powerful and it's really pretty. I don't know how well we'll be able to see it because the water went all over the GoPro. But we're going to try and find another viewing spot now, go see from slightly further away. We've crossed the main bridge and just walked up the main road a little bit, I don't know, about 5 or so minutes, and we've come to a great view of the town. And then up on that highest bit is the old fortress. And then just coming off the motorway, there's a little path here that we think is going to lead us to a little hut we saw earlier and get a much better view. So we found the spot. Here we go. We've got it. We're back inside the town now, and we're making our way up to the fortress. Oh. Found some nice little streets. So it seems like a lot of the interesting things in this town are actually up here. We've got the old medieval bell tower here.
That's where the last Bosnian king was crowned.
Oh, he was crowned here.
Yeah.
And then just along here they've also got some old catacombs. There's all going on up on this hill.
I've left that sign at this church. Was converted to a mosque by the Ottomans.
Okay. So yeah, the last king was crowned here, and then the Ottomans came quite soon afterwards. So when the building was a mosque, this was the entrance to it. you'd come inside here. And when it was a church, there was an entrance somewhere around there. Is at the entrance, so you'd go in when it was a church. Down here. The house behind me is called the Burić House, and apparently it was built somewhere in the 17th century. But the interesting thing about it was that during the Second World War, Tito stayed here with the commander of the Liberation Army, and then it was destroyed during the Bosnian Wars. But you can come in and have a look.
Welcome to my crib.
Do you want to show me around?
Yeah, sure. Alright, so here's the entrance hall.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah. Living room,
Yeah,
bedroom.
is that where the magic happens?
No, the magic happens in the bathroom here. And that's a games room or something.
It goes through something cool. Lovely, thank you. Ooh. We've paid 2 marks, so just under £1, to go and have a look inside the old catacombs, which is an old church which is under the ground. There we go, from the 14th to the 15th century. Oh, chilly.
This is a small 2-level church and crypt, built around 1400 AD for a powerful duke and his family as a final resting place. If you take a close look while walking around, you can still see some of the medieval carvings on the stone walls.
So once you've gone down one set of stairs, there's another set of stairs that you go down. Oh, mind your head, this is very low.
At the very bottom of the catacombs you find a carved cross, with a sun and a crescent moon, some of the symbolism of the time around death.
We've come out of the catacombs and now we're going further up the hill to go and find the fortress. Looks really nice up here. They've done it up all nice. Oh. We've got to the fortress and tickets are 2 marks each again, so less than £1. So we're going to go in and have a look. Bad news is, no guns allowed, sorry guys. There we go, we're inside the fortress. We've come out of the fortress now and we've been in there for about 20 minutes and we've had it completely to ourselves. Not a single other person's come in, which I'm surprised at because Although it is off season, we have seen a few different other tourists walking around the town, but we've just been very lucky. And there's some beautiful views from there. It's really gorgeous. Yeah, I think it's safe to say that you can see most of Yaita's tourist attractions in an afternoon, but we do have another thing that we're going to go and see tomorrow as well that we've got planned.